Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then date and time. If you want to change your date and time manually, you will have to disable the feature use network provided time first, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature use network provided time zone, and here you can select your region, and then you can select your time zone here, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.